Learning English the traditional way is like using a typewriter in the age of AI. The world has changed, and so should our approach to learning. It's time to toss out the dusty textbooks and embrace a fresh, hyper-relevant method for mastering English, one that empowers you to use it as a 21st century professional, not as a tourist from last century. I believe that the teaching and treatment of English as a foreign language needs to evolve, given its status as a global language. I myself speak several languages and absolutely love reading French poetry or exploring the roots of Spanish pronunciation, not to mention the fascinating writing systems of Chinese, Japanese, or Korean language. However, my passion for these languages does not change the fact that English is the one that holds unique importance as a global language. Years ago, there was an attempt to create a universal language called Esperanto, designed for international communication due to its simplicity and neutrality. Although Esperanto gained a devoted following and is still spoken by a small community today, it never achieved the widespread popularity or practical application that English has as a global language. Well, why do I believe that English should be taught different from other languages? First, the reason for learning English as a global language, the reasons, they vary, and teachers must identify the learner's purpose before creating a lesson plan. Imagine you go to a computer expert because your company just bought new computers and you need to learn how to use them to keep your job. If that expert starts teaching you about system architecture or advanced algorithms, things unrelated to your immediate needs, you wouldn't really find this course or this training or teaching really useful or beneficial for yourself. Unfortunately, this is exactly what many professional English teachers do. They treat you as if you were training to translate Shakespeare or master the 134 exceptions to the rule how to use third conditional. As in reality, that's not crucial for your career as a digital marketing developer, social media manager, or UX or UI designer for an international company. Just as a computer expert tailors their teaching to your practical needs, so should English teachers. Well, in conclusion, the traditional approach to teaching English as a one-size-fits-all methodology belongs to a bygone era. Personalized and individual plan for each student is necessary, and I will teach you how to make this personalized plan yourself for you. In the next lesson, I will add a few more observations about the English teaching process and offer you ideas for developing a highly effective plan to improve your English to the level of near native speakers. See you soon.